Hello Aveda Network, it's me, Naomi Dove, hair color professional and texture artist. Also me, before I had to stay home. Not being in the salon causes me to not be able to care for my hair the way that I normally would on a day-to-day basis. So I opted for a protective style. About 30% of my guests do protective styles whether they're at home or come into the salon. During this uncertain time where we stay home and stay healthy, it's very important to take care of your scalp as well. Protective style is just that, protection. So make sure that when you are opting for a protective style that you are taking care of the hair that's underneath. Every 3 to 4 days, I like to keep my scalp fresh with Aveda's Foam Reset. The biggest benefit to this foam is the no rinse formula. To extend the life of my protective style, I choose Foam Reset to keep my scalp fresh and healthy. I love how this foam feels. It's very dense and super hydrating. I recommend applying the Foam Reset in sections by parting your hair from ear to ear and around the hairline. Being cautious not to disturb your style too much, work the product thoroughly through the hair and give yourself a nice scalp massage for a moment of wellness. Using the Rinseless Refresh from mids to ends is going to give you an overall feeling of clean. Now, to complete my regimen, I opt for the Nutriplenish MultiUse Oil. Now this oil is a great partner to the Foam Reset and Rinseless Refresh. It's 100% organic and the components of this oil have major benefits for your scalp and hair. And of course, it smells amazing. I hope you all enjoyed these tips. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you back in the salon soon.